Hello learners, how are you doing? We have a question here that we need to solve. This is mathematics. The question reads, the first and second terms of an arithmetic progression are 100 and 95 respectively. So this is the first term, this is the second term of an arithmetic progression. The question now says find the 10th term. I see that. This question, learners, is coming from series and sequences. Now, under series and sequences, we look at two types of sequences. These two types of sequences are, the first one, arithmetic progression, abbreviated AP. We also have another sequence, which is called geometric progression, GP. So this question is under arithmetic progression as a sequence. Now, we have been told that the first term is 100. The second term is 95. What do you think will be the 10th term? Now, there are certain things that you need to know when dealing with sequences. The formula must be well known. The nth term. So under AP, when you are finding the nth term of any AP, the formula is nth term, written like that, is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now what does this mean? Here is an example of an AP. Let's say 1, 2, 3, okay, then goes like that. That is an example of an AP. How do you know that this sequence is AP? We identify an AP using D, which is common difference. Common difference, D. So, any sequence with common difference is an AP. But a sequence without common difference is not an AP. How do you find common difference? This one is what is called the first term. This is the first number. So these are terms. So this is the first term, second term, third term. I see that. So the first term is always represented by small letter a. So the first term is small letter a. Are we together? We have the second term, third term. Now to find common difference D, you should always subtract. Common difference to subtract. What should you subtract? Second term minus first term. So it's 2. Look at the way I'm doing. I'm not doing like this. It's 2 minus 1. That would be 1. It should be common. 3 minus 2. 1. 1. Just like that. I see that. That is where we find D. Always subtract. I've talked about this. I've talked about this. The n you are seeing here is the position. In this case, we want to find the 10th. That is the position. That is our n. So, in this formula, our n is 10. I see that. We want to find the 10th term. So where there is n here, I'll be able to say 10th term will be equal to, I'll substitute. What is our a? The question says the first term, and I've explained the first term is a. Are you seeing that? So our a here is 100. That is the first term. So 100 here. Plus n, remember n is 10. minus 1 and minus 1. What about the common difference? Have you heard what I've explained here? In the question here, they've said the first and second. So first is 100, then second is 95. I think that is the sequence. Meaning our D will be equal to 95 minus 100, like this. 95 minus 100. And this will give us what? Negative 5. You see that? So our D is negative 5. That is what we are going to substitute there. Negative 5. Then we proceed. We are going to say our 10th term will be equal to 100 plus, what is the answer here? 9. I see that. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then we have negative 5. This is not minus 5, you subtract. No, that is negative 5. Then our 10th term will be equal to 100. This positive and negative will give us a minus. 9 times 5, brackets here. 9 times 5 will give us 45. When we subtract the 2, our 10th term is therefore 55. That is the answer. 100 minus 45 is 55. Is that clear? Would you like to learn more? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow the page, like it, and also join our reliable online classes through WhatsApp. Bye-bye.